Well, ahoy there, matey. I hope you're hungry for an adventure. Grab your lobster bisque and your crab cakes, because we're about to have a whale of a time here in New England. Hello, everyone. Adam here. Ready to start our journey at the Salt Lake Airport. You know, the airport that looks like a birthing canal. We're going to visit some of the most delightful and spooky places on the eastern seaboard. Oh, you'll see. So we just made it to Boston. There's a lot of people wearing Crocs here. And that's all I know. It looks like a witch's house in here, David. I'm here in Salem, Massachusetts. Are you so excited? Of course, no trip to Salem would be complete without visiting the Hocus Pocus filming locations. Thank you, Max, for that marvelous introduction. I put a spell on you, and now you go. So wretched alive, sing on and cursed because of all the witches working. I'm the worst. Hey, I say goodbye. It's absolutely beautiful. Could you just die? Whew. I'm 2 miles away from the house in Rhode Island, also known as the Conjuring house. I'm very, very nervous. I'm sick to my stomach. I don't know if it's because I have social anxiety and I'm going to be with a small group of strangers, or if because I'm going into a den of evil. So, we'll find out. Are you screwing around with my camera? Do not, could not, would not live up here. Would not sleep up here, not one wink. Nope. This one is the Riesling 2017 Reserve Riesling, served with a toasted onion cheddar. Cheese tastes like onion dip. So we just got finished there. What did you think of it, Barney? I thought it was very good. It was very different from the last. Don't get the oysters if you don't like seafood. It's not that it wasn't fresh. It was fresh. It was delish if you like that shit. I don't like oysters apparently, or clams. But the other stuff, the scallops, magnifique. And those shrimp, to die for. Well, hi there, it's Adam, the Paranormal Polynesian. And I'm here at the site of the first mental asylum in Massachusetts, the MEDFORD Mental Asylum, built in 1892. It's rumored to be haunted, and now you can picnic here. It's a park. This is also where Leo DiCaprio filmed Shutter Island. So let's go around and take a look. Follow me now, bitches. Oh, these little guys, they're gonna be so delicious. Oh gosh, they got, like, look at this. This looks so good.
Like a
look at what does he go for on market price?
this, $16.
That's it?
Yeah.
Jeez, that costs a lot more where I live for a lobster. I'm even gonna hike for you guys, okay? Hike. How amazing is this place? You see down there? Let's go up. Ooh. Come on. At least there's stairs to get up here. I can't deal with how beautiful this is. I'll even take you on a personal tour of the haunted and historic Roberson Mansion in Binghamton, New York. If you're going to travel, you might as well travel weird, right? You don't want to miss Adam Does New England. It's coming this August and September, only on YouTube. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've hit all notification bells so that you know when every upload comes up. I can't wait to see you then. And until next time, keep it paranormal. I'm going through lobster withdrawals right now. I miss the lobster.